ended in South Tulsa. Police deploying the one tool that usually puts a stop to such pursuits, but Two Works for You reporter Gitzel Puente is live to tell us that the didn't work this time, and it's some exclusive video as well. Gitzel, good morning.
Good morning, Scott. That's right. It did not work this time. Tulsa Police thought the chase would come to an end with the precise tactic they used, but the suspect had a different idea. Take a look at what the suspect did during the chase. You can see there how the suspect avoids the spike strip police deployed, goes around it and into a shopping area on 53rd and Peoria. He then gets out onto the street again, avoiding that roadblock, and drives past several police cars on the opposite direction and nearly misses hitting them. The chase lasts for another 2 miles until he runs out of gas at 61st Street and Zunis. That's where officers put him into custody shortly after they caught him when he tried to run away. Police say the pursuit started on 15th Street and Delaware when police tried to pull over the suspect for driving a stolen car. Now that suspect will be booked and he will be facing a complaint for eluding officers. Reporting in Tulsa, Gitzel Puente, Two Works for You.